Welcome to the installation of CURT's 55540 custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness installed on a 2023 GMC Savanna. This wiring harness fits a variety of vehicles. Please visit our website to see the most current vehicle fitment coverage and to find the right trailer wiring harness for your vehicle. Let's begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable to ensure your safety and the safety of your vehicle's electrical system. Next, open up the rear cargo doors. We'll begin on the driver's side. Locate the vehicle's taillight wiring harness connectors. They will be similar to the CURT wire harness connectors with the yellow and brown wires. First, remove the orange locking tab and then separate the connectors. Now insert the CURT wiring harness with the yellow and brown wires in between the vehicle's taillight connectors. You will hear an audible click when they are fully seated into place. Replace the locking tab. Locate a suitable mounting location for the white ground wire, such as an existing screw, or drill a pilot hole for the included self-tapping screw. Luckily, we have an existing ground right here we can use. Just place the eyelet over the grounding bolt and refasten. We are choosing to route the rest of the harness through the body panels for some added protection. Next, route the harness with the green wire to the passenger side along the scuff panel. Fold back any floor coverings at this time. Route the harness to avoid any unnecessary exposure to potential damage. You can use the included cable ties to fasten the harness out of the way. Locate the passenger side taillight connectors, separate them, and insert the CURT connectors in between, making sure the locking tabs click into place. Next, tuck the green wire under the rear scuff panel. We decided to use the included cable ties to bundle the 4-flat connector wire to the green wire for a clean look. Install the dust cover over the 4-flat connector and replace the floor covering. Reinstall the negative battery cable. Finally, test your new wiring harness with a properly wired trailer or CURT's 58260 4-flat electrical tester. If installed correctly, the tester or trailer lights will light up with the corresponding electrical signals from the vehicle's wiring harness. Bundle the wiring harness and store it out of the way when not in use. Remember to confirm your vehicle manufacturer's recommending towing capacity before you tow. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and feel free to comment or reach out to us for any installation questions. Always tow safely.